Bonjour! Today we are making pain au levain, or as Americans say, sourdough. In France we simply call it bread, but not just any bread. This is bread made with time and patience and a little faith and a very hungry starter. First the levain, alive, bubbly, a little wild, but just how we like it. Then flour, water, and you mix well. We add the flour, beautiful organic. Mix it until you get this kind of shaggy dough.
Beautiful.
It will not look perfect, feel really shaggy, but that's the way we want it. We add also some salt, nicely like this on top, and you poke it like a focaccia. Simple ingredient, no drama. Well, maybe a little drama, because now we wait. And we start to fold. Stretch and fold 4 or more. Just feel it be connected with your dough. And also some coil folds. 4 of them, it's pretty good. You stretch the dough in a different way. And we wait. And fold. And stretch. And wait again, and repeat one more time. This is not fast food. This is slow love. And finally let it rise for at least 8 hours, if maybe more. The dough begins to change, it strengthens, it softens, it learns to trust itself. Just like us, no? Now we shape. We're making 2 loaves today. A gentle touch, not too much. Dough remembers everything. Then another rest. Because beautiful things should never be rushed. Fold it, roll it. The scraper is a very good tool. And make sure you pinch the seams. Cover it and let it rest overnight. And bonjour again. Unmold it. Beautiful. flour for a beautiful design. And you score it with a blade twice on the same line. And finally, the oven, the great transformation. The rice to prevent burning. Some ice for the steam. 35 minutes covered at 450 and 25 minutes uncovered at 400. Eat, steam, a little magic, and then the perfume of home. I will suggest not slicing it right away. Wait an hour. The crackle of the crust, the music of good bread. This is pain au levain, the French art of slow bread. Bon appétit. And enjoy. Au revoir.